simple as elementary school. Soon, though, we realized that it was much more than that. At first, it was silly little things that surprised us, like having to open our lockers quickly and grab our books, worrying about being late for the bus, or rushing in classes in less than 2 minutes. At short little grade 7s, the huge grade 9s we looked up to sure seemed terrifying. Who knew that one day we would be those giants looking down on the new kids, wondering how in the world that used to be us. Along the way, we got more comfortable with both ourselves and our surroundings, understanding the little details that characterize Hillcrest. Music reminding us to be in class on time, Mr. Connolly's bellowing singing voice alerting us of a birthday, tiptoeing past classrooms without agendas, just hoping not to be caught, and the constant competition between homerooms to see who's the best. It's those tiny everyday occurrences that made all the difference. We grew wiser, matured, and began to understand that with one bad day might come 100 good ones. Through it all, there was that inkling of optimism that told me we can only make the journey as great as it can be, and no one can hold us back. Now it's time to be thankful for those who've made these 3 years so unforgettable. Teachers we all shared especially, no matter the homework they've given us, or the time they spent reminding us about handing in our assignments, have been the guiding force behind much of our success. We may not always understand it, but they make our whole world turn around. The individuals who spend all their time wanting us to be the best we can. They are like the leaders of the future. They see our potential and their goals prove to us, and encourage us beyond belief of all we can be, whether we see it or not. I know for myself that many of my teachers have become the most influential and important meanings of my life. They saw the passion for my dreams, pulled all the strings to open the doors of my opportunity, and helped me find a voice just for me and you. So many times I overlooked all they've done for me, and would now wonder where in the world all of us would be without them. Beside you may be sitting one or more of your parents and family members. Take a moment to remember all that they have done for us, dealing with our constant mood swings and teenage attitude, driving us to and from games and practices, and never failing to be there when things might not go our way. They praise our success and will continue to love us no matter what. Someone very important to me once told me, the group we have, the connections that were made, all point to one amazing and dynamic truth. Each of us is family, and it is the bond that goes on, no matter what the time passes between gathering. Family, friends, amazing. This is what the song means. As much as not everyone may talk to each other all the time, we can still say that we all belong under the same roof of Hillcrest. It's still a Mustang, and we won't forget any of it. And in the years to come, in high school, even if we make new connections and the past may seem to slip away, we'll just pick up that book in our minds labeled junior high and leaf through it. I can guarantee everything will come rushing back, and a smile will spread across your face. Memories stay forever. They don't belong in your brain. They belong in your heart. I wish every one of you an amazing time in high school and in every other endeavor as you passed it. Look forward with an open mind and push open the doors of Hillcrest to leave for the last time, knowing that you left to mark on the pages of this school's history. That says a lot, and I know I'm proud to be part of it. This might seem like goodbye, it might seem like the end, but think like Dr. Seuss. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Thanks for